The 12th letter is seen. The 12th letter is seen, making a hissing sound like s. Seen as in the English, seen. Seen is pronounced when placing the tongue between the two incisors with a slight push at the top of the mouth. S, seen. Now be careful. Seen is very close to za, zain articulation point. Watch how close they are when I say za, seen, za, seen. When you have sukoon on the seen, make sure to pronounce it s with the hems. Examples of seen in the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولله يسجد ما في السماوات والأرض ولله يسجد. Make sure it's pronounced seen and not za, because a common mistake is made when people say وَلِلَّهِ يَزْسُدُ. They pronounce seen as za. وَلِلَّهِ يَزْسُدُ. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار. Highlighting the vastness of creation.